The plan is set. We strike at dawn. Let me see the map. Here. The path is marked. This is dangerous. Are you certain? We have no choice. It must be done. The code is within. Show me. 711 and 355.
Halt! Checkpoint ahead! Halt! In the name of the king! Whoa there! We're stopping! State your business. We must search the wagon.
Please, we have nothing!
Search it then, but be quick. I know you're hiding something. There's nothing here, soldier. That hollow tree, show me. It's just an old tree. What's this then?
A splendid evening, Captain.
Indeed, madam. Shall we dance?
With pleasure.
The colonial defences are weakening, gentlemen. And the French? Any word on their fleet?
The French are preoccupied, sir.
Good. Then victory is assured.
Gentlemen, to victory.
And to the king.
Hear, hear.
What have I done?
Halt! Who goes there? I am Major John André. Stand aside! We know who you are. Search his boots, men. Unhand me. This is outrageous.
Hold still, Major. What's this?
You have no right!
Here it is. The map from your boot. Careful, it's our only guide. The landmarks are clear. We head east. Then let's move before we're found.